Today, guys, we're going to be seeing what my dog reacts to these sounds. This is sound 1. Dog reacted to that one. Let's do the next one. This is how my dog reacts to a squeaky toy. This is how my dog reacts to firecrackers. This is how my dog reacts to a gum tube. This is how my dog reacts to a balloon scratch. This is how my dog reacts to a whistle sound. This is how my dad reacts to a bag opening. This is how my dog reacts to a hammer drill. This is how my dog reacts to a door knocking. This is how my dog reacts to a bicycle bell. That's the end of this video, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.